In today's video, we are going to learn how to go live. If you haven't watched the previous video on how to integrate Facebook Live with your admin panel, then please do so before you go to this video. First step is to go to the administration tab on the left-hand side and click on Service, Schedule Services. From here, we're going to create a new service. Be sure to fill in all the mandatory fields with an asterisk. Here we're going to choose our service duration. In this case, I will choose 1 hour. Will it be broadcast live? Yes. Is it recurring? Now for this video, I will say no. But if you plan to go live every Sunday, for example, you should say yes, so you don't have to manually create a new service every time that you would like to go live. Then the date. Send push notifications. This will send a notification to all your congregation whenever you do go live, letting them know to join. So in this case, I'm just gonna say yes. Allow public chat, yes. Active already, yes. And just click save. Once that's done and you fill in all your fields, you go back to your Facebook page. This is your Facebook newsfeed. And from here, you need to make sure that you click on under your pages and click on the page that you would like to go live in. You cannot do it through the user. From here, we will choose the button that says Create Live, and you will just select Go Live. And in this screen, we choose all our sources, like for video and microphones, and what your live is about. Now from here, you can select a video source. In this case, I will go with my webcam. You can invite people, and you can choose the sources. In this case, I'll just choose my microphone. You can also start a screen share. So when you do go live, instead of seeing what's on the camera, they will see what you are seeing on your screen. For example, I'm gonna choose our YouTube channel. Okay. And close. And as you can see, this is what the viewer will see on their perspective. Now, once that's done, you have to write what your live video is about. The title and description are required fields, so make sure that you fill in those fields. And save. And once all those steps are done, you will click Go Live. And now you're live. If you would like to see the perspective from your church members on your own church app, click on the live icon. From here, it already says that we are live. And there is a blue share button next to the title. Your members can share that you are live through Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, mail, messenger, any channel that you can think of. They will know that you are live. To access that video, you just click on the play button on the center top. And there is the live video feed. As you can see, it is live from the top left corner. Your members can join the chat if they wish to. If they're already logged in, they won't have to write in their name like that. And they can just write the messages as they watch your service, and also heart react. They can also be redirected to giving and have the Bible readily available. Now, if you need any assistance using this feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to your personal customer experience representative. Thank you and have a great day.